It's time for the recessed light installation. Hold on. The color changing Wi-Fi recessed light installation. What's up everyone? I can't tell you how excited and how long I've been waiting to add some color changing recessed lights to my kids' room. These are LED, they don't need a can, and they're Wi-Fi enabled, so I can say, hey Alexa, turn off the bedroom lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the bedroom lights to blue.
Okay.
There we go. You're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to install them and how they work. This video is part of an entire kids room remodel, so remember to subscribe so you don't miss the other videos, and let's get on to it. First things first, I'm going to mark off the general location of where my recessed lights are going to go. There's several free websites out there where you just plug in the dimensions of your room and it'll tell you where you should probably place them. I'll mark the general area with painter's tape first. And then I'll locate the rafters and mark those with tape. I need to avoid drilling holes there, obviously. I swear I didn't plan that. I'm dead center. And then I'll get my exact locations. And I just got this dome to clean up all of the dust because this saw will spread dust all over your room. So you have your dust bowl, you have your 6-inch hole saw, and you have your drill. Here I can see the red wire is my light switch and the black is for the ceiling fan. So I'm using 14-2 wire because I'm matching what is currently being run through my fan here, and it matches the amps on my breaker box. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and consult an electrician or do a little bit more research online. The lights I'm connecting here are from Lumary. They come in 6 inches like these or 4 inches. They are color changing and Wi-Fi enabled, and I'll have Amazon links to these down in the description below so you can check them out. For the 6-inch lights, you'll also need a 6 3/8 inch hole saw. I have my first light here that connects to the power, my second light, my third light, and my fourth last light. This is now ready to be wired to the main power. Believe it or not, this is actually going to be the most accessible attic space I've ever been into when installing recessed lights. This is great. Check out what I did in this movie room and what I had to crawl through here. Way back there. I'm splitting off my light from the ceiling fan to the recessed lights, but I want to keep power to the fan as well. So what we'll do is split off the red wire over to the lights and keep the black wire going to the fan. Attic work is the worst kind of work you can possibly do. It's 75 degrees outside, but not in the attic. Now for this fifth light, I'm actually going to be replacing a light that already existed here. And it's not that big of a deal, but I need to get rid of that junction box, so it's gonna get a little messy. Okay, setting up these lights is fairly simple. Install the Lumary app and register. And then select the type of light. The first thing you're going to want to do when trying to connect these lights is you need to make sure that they're blinking, right? So to do this, you leave your light switch off for 10 seconds. Then you go on, off, on, and then you wait for them to start blinking. There they go. Takes a few seconds. So that can kind of throw you off, right? The very first few times I started doing this, I was like, why isn't it blinking? It takes a few seconds. But now that you got it blinking, follow the rest of the steps here in the app, and you're good to go. It's that simple. You can name each light so it's easy to distinguish which light is which. It's pretty cool how I can make one light red, one green, one blue, and so on. Now I'm going to put them all in one group so it's easy to control all of them at once. And then have some fun with it. This is so cool, and like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, so I'm happy with the way it turned out. The next video in this series is going to be me paneling up this reading nook here, adding some pillows. We're gonna have more lights, some string lights this time. So again, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on some of these videos that are coming out. If you have any questions at all about how to install these recessed lights or how they work, drop a comment down below. I try to reply to every single one of them, all the nice ones anyways. And if you're wondering, this isn't my first recessed light installation. I have about a half a dozen other videos on my channel, and I actually have a movie room that I just finished with some dimmable recessed lights. So you'll be able to catch that here in a couple of weeks or so. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.